Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another video, and today I'm going to show you how to send and receive Bitcoin using Cash App. Okay, so here we are on Cash App. Let's go ahead and hop to the investment tab, and we're currently on the Bitcoin section. So I have a previous video that showed how to do this, but Cash App has made some updates to their interface that makes this easier to do. You can also go to your Cash App wallet and then tap on Bitcoin, and this is going to have the same functions kind of right here. It's going to show your wallet address and you can deposit and withdraw. But let's go ahead and go back to the Bitcoin section because this is where most people come to manage their Bitcoin within Cash App. And you'll see a brand new button next to the buy and sell. This little paper plane icon. So that's what you would use to send and receive. So let's go ahead and tap this button. This is going to allow you to deposit or send Bitcoin. So if we tap deposit, it's just going to show your Cash App Bitcoin wallet address. So you can copy this address, and then if you have Bitcoin in some other wallet, in some other location, you can send it to this address and it will show up in your Cash App. Let's close this out. We'll tap this again and we'll go to send Bitcoin. So this is gonna start a process where you send Bitcoin from your Cash App Bitcoin wallet to somewhere else. Up at the top of the screen, it's gonna show how much Bitcoin you have. Like I have 0.061. So on this screen, I could type in 0.01. and I could tap withdraw. Then I would want to scan the wallet address where I want to send this, or I could tap enter manually at the bottom of the screen. Normally I would tap enter manually and then paste in the wallet address where I want to send Bitcoin to. And then I would just tap next. Then there will be a confirmation and you tap send. Now these transactions normally take a while, so don't freak out if it's not immediate. Bitcoin isn't the fastest blockchain out there, so the transaction could take 15 minutes, 30 minutes, even an hour or more. If you're interested in faster blockchains, definitely check out some of my TRX or Tron videos. I'm doing some fun experiments over there. But there you have it. There's how to send and receive Bitcoin using Cash App with the new user interface update. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. Also, definitely check out the other Cash App tutorials and experiments on the channel. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past. Go hard. You might win.